today. 1 second. Alright, so today, dear news. Let's look at the news. First things first, Forex Factory. I don't think there's any news today. Yeah, there's 10 a.m. new home sales. Nothing to be really fussy about. Overnight, as you can see, the market opened up. We opened and then we started to dump from there. Yeah, we just started to dump. So pre-market has been very, very heavy. Let's look at the daily. Start from the daily. Actually, I want to go to the weekly first. I want to go to the weekly here first. So there is SMT between these two, ES and NQ. Okay, so ES and that SMT is still active on ES. ES has a smart money reverse. Yeah, man, I'd be bullish here for the weekly. I'd be bullish for the weekly still. Nothing has changed on the weekly. Truly. Can get below the low. We can get below the low of this. You can see a closure beneath the low of this candle, as well as just continued lows being created. Then I would say we're bearish, but because we're not even able to get beneath this low, I'd have to think that we're still bullish, to be honest with you. Just deep retracement, shaking out all the bulls just to come up here and take this high. Potentially. So all of this right here. Really and truly, I didn't even want to see them close beneath this fair value gap right here, but they just move through it. But I think if we get back above it, we're gonna use it to reclaim. We're gonna reclaim it. Yeah, I'm sure we're gonna reclaim it once we get above it. Right here. Alright, on the week, on the day, the H1 just been dumping pre-market. London has just been dumping and just dumps. 9:30. Let's see what night. I Is this a fair value gap here? Volume imbalance. Alright, so far right now, is there any massive changes? What's happening on the H1? What's this again? This is like accumulation, not necessary anymore. Not necessary anymore. Oh, what am I doing here? Again, there's some lows being taken out here, some SMTs here as well. Some SMT here. This original accumulation here on NQ was not taken out on ES. ES only took all the way up to here, I believe. All the way up to here. Yeah, ES took all the way up to here, I believe. That's January 30th. So they took all the way up to ES took all the way up to Thursday the 16th, which is this right here. The rest of it's not taken. So I'm looking for something here to indicate to me yea or nay. What's this called now? This is a text SMT. Alright. M5 now. So we already take out London low. We already take out Asia's low. We have Asia's high, London high still intact. London high should be about here. It should be London's high. So let's identify that. There's here. Boom. London high. L high. What else do we want to know? I like this range here. First place where it starts stalling out. So I do like this range. Let's see. I'm wondering if I would like to see if there has been some sort of smart money reversal as it. I don't know for sure, but I could realistically take it as if there has been some sort of smart money reversal. So if there has been some sort of smart money reversal, right? What am I looking for? I'm looking for retracements to be bullish, right? I don't know if we're bullish, but I'm looking for retracements to be bullish. So I'm just looking for bullish setups. Right now I don't have any idea of what's gonna happen, but I'm looking for London high to get ready, at least. Or let me see the range. I want to see the range of London, and since it's so expansive, I probably aim for 50% of that range. So London's from here to where? London's from here to here. So damn. London's from there to there. Half of London, 50% of London is here. These highs I am interested in. BRB. I might just wait until 9:30 to see if anything. Yeah, I might wait until 9:30. 9:30 is the way. Waiting until 9:30 is the way. Alright, now let's see. 9:30 is in a minute and 24 seconds. Bullish right there. What else is bullish? What else is bullish? Right there. 50% of the range is here. No, I said 9:30 around 50, no 50%. Let's see what happens. It's a very 9:30 open. Stillness. Mondays are always like a pretty lazy day for me. Coming in from the weekend. What am I trying to do here again? Sirski. Pretty bullish closure. Alright, that's a pretty, if it closes that, that would be a pretty bullish closure. A show. And I'd be very interested in something here acting as my order block. Right. That's 100 points. What is going on? That's massive. What the heck? Didn't even realize how much points that was. 100 points. God damn. 5 a.m. I'm not trade at 5 a.m. Can't be doing them thing there. It's illegal. That is illegal. Trading at 5 a.m. I'm gonna depend them thing there. It's 100 points though. There's no type of trade that we can take from this that the risk is gonna be properly managed unless I use way reduced risk. But luckily today is Tuesday, so my risk is reduced. But I'm thinking of even reducing even more because the ranges are so wide. You know what I'm saying? Did we take this any highs here? Yeah, we took this high. We took this high on the futures price as well. Tagged. So run it, hit right over it. I'd say that I'm bullish out of this range. Bullish out of this range, yes. Alright, this is a large fair value gap. Let's divide this out. Would it be there or would it be here? Oh, that's when the fair value gap got created. Tap into 50%. But I was supposed to believe that that is the area. What's my stops looking like? 30 points? 40 points. I'll double my non-usual stop. Aim for London highs. Alright, that's even giving me a better entry. Tapping 50%. I want to look. I'm not entering it, I'm just looking. I wanna see proper delivery right now. Tap into 50% rallied. I wanna see if we can close. We can close above a certain high. A willingness to close above a certain high. Did close above the high. I'm gonna take opportunity to long there. Yeah, I'm gonna take opportunity to long here. I'm long there. My stops are 30 points actually. So I'm going long there. My stops are 30 points in the red. Again, it's reduced. The risk is reduced. It's Monday. Plus the ranges are large, so reduce risk even more. I'm still just a 50 point type of guy, so I'm literally just aiming for 50 points. 60 points this time. Just 60 points. So my 60 points would be somewhere. here. Just want 60 points. My stops is 1 to 2. The reason why I changed to 60 points is I don't want to aim for anything that's less than 1 to 2. You get me? So if my stop loss is 30 points, I want to aim for 60. I want to see us close above that high. We should want to be closing above that high. Yeah. Okay. We took alright, boom. So I partialed on that. On the taking of this right here, these highs that at 50% of London, I partialed there. And I'm actually going to allow, since I'm partial, I'm gonna just break even and allow this to run. I'm gonna partial, I'm gonna break even and allow this to run. If it goes, it goes. By partial, I took half of what I had on, I took half of it off. I'm breaking even on my trade right now, and I'm gonna let it run. So I'm removing my TP. Well, not removing, but I'm extending my TP to 150 points. That's what I do on days like this. So if I'm right and the range is expansive, I should be very right. So I took off half of my trade already, and it's a large range. I got about 50 points. 80 points on that large position. So I'm just opening up right now, allowing the market to pay me even more. So I set my TP to 150 points, and boom, that's that. I should realistically look at what is at 150 points in a profit, and that's basically London highs. Do I want that? Am I tripping? Am I asking for too much? Alright, I'm probably asking for a bit too much. So how about that order block here for 100 points? Yeah, I think the order block for 100 points is where I'm heading. So I'm gonna move my stops down to here. Boom. Alright, so now it's in for 100 points. Who's this calling me? One sec. She drop 1,000 points.
Because look on Sunday. Look on where the gap is.
Yeah.
865 points.
800 points.
This says
No, it's grand. No, it's a grand. It's grand, man. It's grand. 1,000 points it dropped. That's crazy. That's nutty. But me know how long still. Yeah, I'm confident in this long.
I want to get long.
I just need an up candle to be created now. Once an up candle get created here, I'm pretty confident in my long. But I'm break even already. Extend my TP from 50 points to 100 points, targeting a high order block inside of London, accumulation, then it expanded. Original accumulation up here, so but inside of the range of the original accumulation, there's gonna be some back and forth with buyers and sellers. I don't want to be a part of that.
Yeah, I think I have an idea where you're talking.
No one create an up candle.
Oh, don't. Now it's 950. Try and get it. Like a continuation.
I don't like that. I don't like this. I thought it looked like it was stop me at break even. Yeah, I got stopped at break even. I got stopped at break even and then it started going higher. That's crazy. That's crazy. Tagged me at BE. Yeah, that was a little bit higher than BE. It tagged me. So I'm not in this trade anymore. I'm not in this trade anymore at all.
I'm thinking I get in for a week low.
Yeah, I did, but I moved up my stops a little bit above BE. So I got in at a little bit above 50% of the weekend.
Oh.
That's crazy. Stopped at BE and then just rallied.
I'm just re-enter.
Nah, why didn't I re-enter? No. The reason why I didn't re-enter is because I am on stream. No bad habits, no bad behavior.
Oh shit. So them can't hear you down the stream.
I should be muted. Oh no, not muted, but yeah.
Oh shit.
But yeah, I'm not gonna. I already got what it is. I already got the value that I would have get if I was trading. If the ranges weren't too large, I'd have gotten that already. So I'm already get that. You see me? So I'm never really interested in adding more positions or anything like that. I'm wondering. This does not look very, very promising, to be honest.
We just took highs.
Yeah, but are they important highs?
Or just the liquidity highs. Your accumulation highs.
Bro, this is long as frick, bro. But what I'm gonna do?
So try to wait till 9:50. On this.
I want to up candle on the M5.
30 points. Jesus Christ.
Let's see what happens. I got stopped already. A BE.
This news at 10.
Yeah, it's more than likely gonna.
New home sales.
Getting stopped BE there hurts. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah, I nearly just went along, you know. So I'm gonna put that limit order there.
I'm chill. I did something incorrectly. I misplaced my stops and I got stopped out of the trade for it. Instead of having my stops at BE, I had my stops inside of here. Don't know why I did that. Incorrect BE. Fucking hell. 100 points. Gone down the drain. I hate it here. It's a wide range. I did everything correctly except my stops. I hate it here. I hate it, bro. Oh my god, my 100 points. Ah! Bruh. My 100 points, brother.
PGR.
That shit pissed me off, bro. But I hit TP still. This is what it is. Some days like this, I like to think about it. Like saying, making that money, right? Would it change my life? Would I eat better today? Would I?
It would change your life.
Nah, I don't think it would change my life. I don't think it would change my life. Winning this one trade doesn't change your life. Or getting this 100 points doesn't change your life.
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah, but I'm talking about this specific one day. It doesn't. So if it doesn't change your life, does it matter? Does it really and truly need it to be a feeling a way about it? I'm talking about this specific trade. It doesn't matter. In the grand scheme of things, it don't matter. So, oh, shouldn't be feeling any way about it. So it's a good trade. Just bad execution. But not execution, but bad management. Good trade, bad management.
I want the world.
Boom. Right in that fair value gap.
I'm wrong.
We just took out a very important level of liquidity. I'd say if you can close back above here,
In profit.
I want to see highs above there. So the reason why I selected this fair value gap is that this fair value gap is the first fair value gap outside of this accumulation right here. Should be a very important one, and where it's above highs. So tagged and bagged. No, that's why I'm saying that if we took an important high, what would I want to see? I'd want to see them expand above that important high to say yes, we're continuing above that important high. Still have one more trade in me for the day that I'm willing to take. But that stop out really and truly pissed me off, but it is what it is, it is what it is. Just remind myself that it is what it is. I want to know if I could can I show my trade, take off that, take off that, take off that, take off that. Full screen it. Alright, so I'm gonna show it. I think I can show it.
Okay. Okay. I did not see this.
Okay, here we go. So that's the trade I took. I partialed at the high there. It's like trade locker. So long exit, but I also
Listen up.
got stopped out at when you pull back into here, I had my stops here instead of down here. So when you pull back, it stopped me out and then expanded higher to the 100 point TP. Some entry around here. Boom. This is what it is though. Trades like that, I can't say I'm happy for trades like that, but yeah, it is what it is. OBS. Stream. But days like this, hey, me get stopped out. It's good psychology to know that okay, get stopped out, that's fine. Or try to bring that in, teach that into yourself. Overall, it was a lovely trade. The narrative, context, everything was there. You see, we highlighted fair value gap, 50% of the fair value gap to the first top. No one to see. Boom, come back. I knew it. Shouldn't have do that. That is why. Okay. I find out why. I find the reason, man. I find the reason. I mark the price. Collect the text. It's a reason. O'clock is around, you know.
We need to this gap here, this gap here that we're rejecting from.
Yeah, it's
decide or something. Beer. I actually considering taking off my lungs. The fact that we're rejecting that with the wicks. It's not good. We're not closing in it and we're not closing above it. Oh, sorry. Just punch through it. Hopefully it'll close. Hopefully we close.
I'm just watching right now. Does not want to create any type of highs above that area. Or it's trying its best not to. 2 minutes on the M5 candle. On this M5 candle. This M5 candle tells me a lot about the market once it closes or where it closes. It's doing a madness right now, which I don't like. Back to life.
I'm going to be in my trade.
I'd agree with doing that. Where are you entering?
On the week before the push up. So specific time wise, my entry is at 55.
Oh, okay. Nice. I put small risk long there. Oh, I deleted my bot studio. I don't know what that is. It's just a scaling.
So let me go look for the news.
So I put half of that half risk on a long here. I don't like that closure. I don't like that closure. It's not supposed to close. It's not supposed to close there. So I'm getting. This is yeah. That is why you wait for candle closures, you know. So good. So I was gonna long this. I was gonna long this. Hold on there. I was gonna put a long right there, thinking that the candle was gonna close up here, and immediately 2 seconds in it just start dumping. So you wait for candle closures. It's great. Alright, so so realistically speaking, I did not want to see a closure beneath this high here. Did not want to see a closure beneath that high. So once they closed above that high, closed beneath that high, I was not interested in this anymore. Yeah, but I wasn't. I'm not interested. I'm not saying I'm not interested in it today, but like the trade that I was taking, I'm not interested in that. Not anymore. Cart delivery. Cart delivery.
Is it later where we down? That's later where my entry was.
Oh, you got stopped at BE? Same. Well, for the first one. Today's Monday though. It's a low probability day. Half risk already. Half risk because of how wide the ranges are. I know I'm even.
I feel like I should pull my intro. There's something I didn't see. I saw half of it, but I never refined it. And it was when I was on M15. I saw a gap, right? But it was smaller on M15. You're on the M5 now. And you look at the gap.
Yeah, this bearish price action is right. It's correct.
Oh yeah, it is. It does rejection in that area. And then we broke emphasis on it.
It's following. Call it a proper delivery. Where could we be targeting though? If we're short, where could we be targeting? I don't believe we're short, so I'm not going to go short. I believe we're long, so I'm not gonna engage with any type of short behavior right here.
Previous lows. So, no, 943, 935, then we close it.
I said I'm only engaging longs today. I don't think I want to ever engage shorts based on my high time frame. Let's see where the H1 has closed. This is a new H1 right here. Yeah, I'd still engage longs. I wouldn't be looking for shorts at these times. Although it's a Monday, it's still in a time span for expansions. So if we're already expanding to a target, I wouldn't want to see them stop expanding at this time. Especially at this specific time. It's 10 o'clock, it's London reversal. So if we're expanding, why are we expanding at a time when we're supposed to be reversing? Why are we retracing at a time when we're supposed to be retracing? It's not that. It's no bueno.
When I bought sold, I bought Series 5, 17K.
Okay.
Three killed in early morning attack on Malines Road. Yeah, what?
Nah, I know. Nah,
Just one.
not at all, homie.
Yeah, I'm gonna say
Terrio did?
Yeah.
Damn.
You know that, man?
Yeah, you from Wilmaz.
Fuck. I don't know anything.
I hate that. I hate that pullback. Alright, that's not it. That's not what I'm looking for. I don't want to be long here. Not yet. At least. Not yet, at least. That's not what I'm looking for. I think I have to give me what I look for my enter, you know. I have to give me what I look for my enter. Tell you that. Knowing how to read order flow, gift from God. This expansion was supposed to send prices higher, but because it didn't follow bullish order flow. It did something very strange. So that's why I knew that even before it started the dump, that this is not where my entry should come, because it's not following bullish order flow. Lovely. So now I'm waiting again. Time is very, very important in things like this. If I was supposed to go long here, nah. It's not a it's a trade. This type of trade, once it's kind of close and it trade back down below there, that's the type of this is the type of trade I would take if I'm being me, because I'm only taking 2 trades a day. This is like I know what is coming. I know what to expect when that thing happens, and I can anticipate it happening from here. But really and truly, I'd rather to wait on that thing happening before actually entering. But now what I'm in this entry, what I'm doing is like I'm anticipating the thing happening, and so I'm getting an entry down here so I can break even that entry. When that thing happens, I get a next entry to my target. So yeah, so brilliant. That would be a good long, because at the point in time where I went long, it's something. It's like, all right, it's at a low where if it breaks this low, it's gonna go short. So I want to go long there. You get me? But I wouldn't take that long because it's not confirmed in order flow yet. But anticipating the confirmation of order flow would be what I'd be doing to get the entry. Be a rejection around the price. I want to see a CSD immediately after this candle if it's bullish. Immediate CSD after the closure. Has to. Proper order flow. Has to. If it ever goes beneath that low, so this is done. I would stop. I would stop wanting longs to come from here. It's not that I'm not long anymore, but I would stop wanting longs to come from here.
Are you on M1 or M5?
M1. I've already done. I'm already done with M5 already. M5 they what it need for the. Because we're at the place where I want to see expansions from M5. I'm looking at M1 for the expansion deliveries to get in. And I don't want to see that. Trade above the high. But they need to do some madness.
There's probably just move sideways for the rest of the session.
Yeah, if by 10:30 we don't see new highs, you know. Beer fighting back and forth price. Beer back and forth price action fighting. And that's why waiting for confirmation is better. Force out I get a quick scalp here for 34 points. Probably could have break even and be done about it, but really and truly, it's not what I want to do. That's not what I want to do with my trading. Anticipation, not anticipation, like predicting is all good, but if you really want to be successful, predicting is not the best. It can't be the best. So yeah, closing beneath that area right there is where I'd say that nah, I'd not be looking for longs from this area anymore. But that's closure, it's not supposed to happen. My eyes. Really not supposed to happen. Where could we target things?
So we're going back to the original camp.
How willing are we to put lows beneath here? That's what I'd be looking at right now. How willing are we to put lows beneath here? And if can we reclaim this OB? That's what I'll be looking at. How willing are we to come back to create lows beneath that high, and beneath that lows beneath this low here, and can we actually come back above here and reclaim this OB? What time is it? What time is it? Change the color of this too. Oh no. Alright. DJ. That closure is nice. Alright now. If we're bearish, I'm saying I wanna see that kept open. And I'm willing to short that. I'm willing to short that as my final trade of the day. I just want to see this close first. I want to see this kind of close first, if it close rejecting it, and then I mean damn. Alright, so that it I didn't want to see any type of bodies there at all. Did not want to see any type of bodies there at all. So again, no trade. M5 looks nice though. Why I'm not taking a trade here is because I don't know this. This is not what I know. I don't know this. This is something that I don't recognize. No matter how pretty it looks, it's something I don't recognize, so I'm not gonna participate. Alright. That's why water flow is the best. I am wait, hold on there. I want to see where this candle closes first. I'd say that This right here, so is a breakaway gap. That's what I'd say. Alright, yeah. So long there, by the way. I went long there. Since that breakaway gap, I'm not expecting it to get traded to at all. So I'm long there. Targeting highs. Trying to get above this high. But if we get above this high, we're going above this high. So 50 points is here. Arguable. Boom. That's running. And break even on this trade. So the thing is, because I'm because the ranges are so large, it affords me the ability to partial and break even, and not care about getting stopped because the ranges are so damn wide. Like I've already made what I need to make for the day already. And it's just moving. The ranges are just moving. You know? That down candle being created is lovely. By the way. So I'm not really break even. My stops are 50%. Consequent encroachment, a little bit below consequent encroachment of the breakaway gap up, and that I don't want to see them trade to. And I'm targeting 50 points. Let's go. No news. I'm an owl. But I never say you. So reason why, alright, you could say, or you don't want is a fair value gap and want to see trade back into the reclaim OB. But do we need trade back into that reclaim OB? What's the context behind this fair value gap being created? It's a breakaway gap. I don't want to see them trade to trade back into it because it should be explosive. You get me? Explosive. I want to see us expand. I want to see us expand. At least above this high. I want to see us above this high. At least above this high. And then I can cut. If I get that high, I'll take everything. Because these ranges are wide. Even though it's 50 points. I don't want to be a part of this. I don't want to be a part of this anymore, to be honest. I don't want to. That is it. And now I'm going to just trail this. Actually, I just partial. I partialed and then put my stops at really at break even now. I partialed and put my stops really at break even. That's 53 points. Once you get 60 points, I'm gonna that's patience pays. What them say? Patience pays. Patience pays. London high, there. Not be so. But me business about London high? No, not sorry, Bob. I take everything just a while ago. Boom. That's 70 points. I took everything like when it was right here. I don't care about London high. Today's Monday. Ranges are large. This high, I'm very concerned with the potential of reversals at this high. So I think that's a good trade. That's a good ass trade. That's a good ass trade. Yeah man, that's a good ass slum. Today, was a good day. That's a good ass long right there. Yeah, man. Right way, the right way, the right way, the right way. Today was a good day. True, I don't want to get no copyright strike, you know. I'm gonna play music. But yeah, that's a good trade. That's a good trade. That's a good ass trade. Sometimes you take some trading, you just pro that. That's a good ass trade. I ain't gonna lie to you, my boy. That's a really good trade. Really good exercise of patience. Really good exercise of patience. Let's see if we get to London's high. Let's see if we can get to London's high. Realistically speaking, we need to get to London high. We cannot. This fair value gap here. We cannot close out this fair value gap without getting to London high. We cannot close out that fair value gap without getting to London high. So even though I'm not in this trade, I'm gonna suggest something. London highs are how long far away? 50 points away. Stops would be around 28. That's a really good trade. Boom. Breakaway gap inside of the reclaimed OB. Not expecting it to trade back to the OB then. So here, that would be the best entry for you. A pull back into the wick, into the opening price of the previous candle. The last candle that created the fair value gap. Right there is a lot of fair value there. So much fair value there. Boom. Banged it. Expansion above these highs. Created a down candle. Nearly scared me. Nah, I didn't really, but created a down candle. Wanted to see that up candle. Saw the up candle. Got confident. Move my stops up. Boom. Expansion above the high. Boom, boom, boom. Lovely. So this would be a 2-winner day. Oh, that's so interesting. But yeah, this never stopped me at BE. That's 100 points. This just rallied, but I just took it at 60 points. I think I took it at like 65 points profit. So yeah, late. But that would be it for the day. I'm saying, I'm looking at this and I'm saying to myself, if we're getting London's high, for sure, this fair value gap should not be filled until we get London's high. But I'm okay with getting the lion's portion of this push. Lion's portion I entered here, that's over 70 points. It's 100 point push, 110 point push, and I got to 160 some points. That's more than 50%. It's a lion's portion. But I also have the understanding that since that fair value gap was created there, London high is very, very probable before that fair value gap gets filled. But I'm not interested. That right there, that knowing that does not indicate profitability. What indicates profitability is hitting your trades and taking your profits when they come to you. And you can know, so London I need to get taken all you want to know. In a change, it still not make you a profitable trader. Taking your profits, that's what makes you a profitable trader. Woo! Heat. That was heat. Think I'm gonna end it there for today. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end it there for today.